Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Taylor, and today you're just gonna follow me around. It's gonna be a day in the life. It is now 8:18 this morning, and we are getting, well actually I'm already ready, like I'm dressed. We're waiting to go to the doctor, and we're gonna get a pap smear, and we're going to do a test to see if I have PCOS. Hopefully it's the same test and I don't have to do two separate tests, but we'll see. I'm going to be getting ready for the gym as well. I'm just going to get ready. So today for the gym, I have on my green sports bra. So I was thinking of wearing my green Honor fit. And it's very cold today. Woke up to it freezing in my room, and then I look at the temperature, it's 33 degrees outside. I wanted to go on a walk before I went to the doctor, but it's not looking like I'm going to go for a walk before the doctor. So we're going to go for the green fit today. I can barely fit it, but we're going to still wear it because that's all that I have right now. Today's upper body day. I don't know the full whatever it is. I use the app Ladder. If you guys don't know, I use that app when I go to the gym because I don't have structure in the gym. I just do whatever if I don't have structure. So that's just what I do. Hello, I'm here at the doctor's office. I'm just sitting in my car right now because they're not open yet. They don't open till 9. And I don't know if they'll let you in early. My appointment's at 9:10. I don't know, but I'm gonna just sit here for like a few more minutes and then I'll go in, check in and all that. What's up everybody? Okay, just got done with the doctor. Okay, actually, I'm getting gas right now to prepare for the day because I think I am going to drive today. But yeah, I went okay. They said that I do qualify to get PCOS tested. We're gonna do my ultrasound soon. All the things. And so hello sister. Hi. Okay, so we're on our way to Ross to get yoga mats. I look crusty, musty and dusty. Hey guys, okay, just dropped my sister back off at the gym to her car because honestly Ross was down the street. But I got a new yoga mat for the gym. The yoga mats, well the mats at the gym suck. They are dirty. They're just ew. You know, and that's not what I want to be putting my head on. And not everybody wipes it down. It's just disgusting. So I have a yoga mat at home already, but I want to keep that one for home. So I bought one for the gym. And then I got some yoga pants. Not yoga pants. Well, they are yoga pants. Some active pants. Because I ripped my Honor leggings that I think I showed you earlier. I don't know if I showed you. They match the shirt. The shirt fits perfectly fine. The bra's a little small. I can get a bigger bra, but the shirt fits fine. But the pants got a hole in them now because when I was putting them on and stretching them, they were ripping. And I was like, oh my gosh, this can't be happening. Okay, back home finally. I just want to show y'all my yoga mat. It's so cute. I got this for $6. By Body Height. It's very thin, which I like. Compared to my other one. My other one is thick, but I like it. But I like this one. I'm going to take this one to the gym, or I'll probably keep this one at home and take the other one to the gym. I'm not sure yet. I'm probably going to test this one out and see what it is. And then these are the socks that are stitched. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're ankle socks too. And then I got some leggings. So yeah, so we're going to go ahead and go to my kitchen and cook because I'm hungry. I ate this morning, but I'm hungry now. Okay, camera eats first. Don't these look delicious? Oh my gosh. You're lying if you say you don't. You're lying if you say you don't. Here. Greedy. Take a bite. Nom, nom, nom. Alright. Hey y'all. Okay, the lace is not lacing right now, so we have a hat on. Back to the yoga mat. Okay, so we're just gonna open it because I have nothing else to do until 5 o'clock. That's what time I'm gonna leave to go to the doctor. to do the ultrasound. Yeah. Okay, this is the mat. And, ooh. Yeah, this is the gym mat. I don't even unwrap the rest of it. I think I'm gonna go do a little bit of Instacart. Let's see if there's anything popping right now. The ultrasound is at 5:25. The address is, it's in DeSoto, so it's not that far, but it's far enough for me to be like, I can wait it out. Okay, right now I'm making some talking points for my photography business regarding okay, bookings. Do this. I bring a drip, I live life like I got a cheat code. I don't shop anymore because I get free clothes. Sorry, I'm just in a Doja Cat mood lately, and hot pink be popping, but I think Scarlett might be her best one. It just might be, but I love Planet Her, so I don't know honestly. But on the way to get the ultrasound done right now, we are 6 minutes away. Again, like my pap smear, I am not going to record the process. I'm not going to record doing anything like that. I'm just telling y'all that I'm on the way. Okay guys, thank you for watching and spending a day with me. I'll be doing more day in the lives later on in the year or whatever, but just wanted to take you with me on my journey. A lot just happened today, so sorry you had to come with me on the most awkward day ever for me. It's fine. Okay, see you later. Bye. Like, subscribe.